Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add another account on Facebook. All right. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, open up Facebook. And once done, just go to the top right and tap on your profile. Okay. But before we continue, we have two ways. Okay. First one is to create an additional profile and link it to your main Facebook account. And the other one is by logging out and just log in to the other Facebook account. Okay. So you can see here, I have mine. Okay, one and other accounts. Okay, now if you want to do that, just tap on this drop down right here, tap on other accounts, okay, and log in to another account. Okay, that's the first option. Now, the second one is by adding a second account to your main account. So to do that, go to the same button. Okay, so once you're in here, you're going to want to tap on create Facebook profile. Okay, you may not have that option, just like what I have in here, but for most iPhone devices or iOS devices, you have that option. So you can just go out and tap on it and then just follow simple prompts. And once that's done, you'd be good to go. You'll be able to select your newly created account in here. That is it. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.